Hi everybody, I'm here with Juliana
Hey guys.
and we're gonna do a reindeer for Christmas time. So before we get started, all you guys need if you wanna follow along is a sheet of paper,
Sharpie.
a Sharpie, and grab a handful of colored markers and then you can follow along with us.
Yep.
All right, so to start this guy off, we're gonna do a big head and we're gonna have a smaller body shape. So we're gonna start over here on the left side and we're gonna do kind of like a U shape, like a little U like this, but we're gonna stop right about there and we're gonna do, we're gonna leave a gap because there's gonna be like a little mouth shape here, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna hook up and kind of complete the shape. Okay, so down here, right here for the mouth, okay? We're gonna start, okay, you're following? Let's do a nose right about here, like that. And then from the nose, we're gonna go like this and we're gonna create kind of like a round shape like that. That's gonna be the mouth area. All right, then we're gonna come down from the nose and we're gonna hook over one way and we're gonna go the other way. Then we'll draw two eyes down here. So we'll do a little bit bigger than the nose. One there, and then do the same size of eye on the other side. And then we're gonna do a little highlight in the top right of his eyes there. And then let's just go ahead and color in, before we forget, we'll color in the eye black on both sides. How's it going over there?
It's going good.
It's going good. All right. Okay, so we're gonna do the ears, but before we get the ears, we're gonna draw these antlers. Okay, so right here where we have the corner of the head, we're gonna do a shape like this. So come inside and do like this, like a U shape. And then from that, we're gonna do these, almost like these branches. We're gonna come up and come over. And then we're gonna do the same here. We're gonna come up and over this way, a little bit higher on that side. Okay, and then right from here, on this side, we'll hook this back like that. It's gonna be like one antler piece. And we're gonna come in like this, just so that it's almost in line with that, yep. And then we're gonna continue this base here. We're gonna go up like this. And then we'll hook that back down. That's it. And then on this side, we'll draw the last piece like that. All right, and then let's finish off the ear. So if yours is a little bit off here, you can finish off and kind of connect that. And then we'll do her ear over here. So we'll come from here, we'll come up. Don't hit the antler, yep. And then we'll come back like that. Yep, and then you'll have like on the inside of her ear, she'll have like a little smaller part on the inside. Good. So let's go over from here. So see how it's lined up with the eye? Let's line this one up with the eye, a little bit over to the side, and we'll do the same thing. We'll draw like a small U shape there, and then we'll come up just a little bit. And then on this side, we're gonna come up and we're gonna try to match the same height as this one here. So we're gonna come up like that. That's a big one there. We'll hook this back. And then we're gonna connect, but we're gonna stop. Yep. And then over here, we're gonna connect, we're gonna create one antler shape here like that. That's it. And then like this. And then we'll find the last part here, do like a smaller one here. Yep, and then we'll come back like that. Okay, and then we'll draw her other ear on this side. So we'll start, let's start down here. So we'll come up to, see where this height is here. We'll kind of come down a little bit to right about there. And then we'll draw like a nice curve like that, a little bit of a point. And then we'll connect from the edge of that piece like that, yep. And then you'll connect this edge of her head, draw like almost like an imaginary line there, like a little connector. And then you want to try to keep this line the same distance away from the edge of her ear like that. So we'll do this, and then like that. Okay, now we forgot the top of her head. So pretend you're going to complete that circle and kind of come across like that and connect. How does it look? That looks really good. Okay, good. All right. So let's work on her body now, okay? So we're gonna draw her body from where her nose is here. Everything's gonna be on the right side, on this side over here. So what we'll first do is we'll go from where the nose is, right about here, a little bit over from the nose, and we're gonna do her belly shape. So we're gonna come down and hook like that. We'll stop about there. Yep, okay. Now we'll make her one leg. So we'll come up about here, and we'll come down, extend it, yep. And then we'll draw her hoof at the bottom, like that, like a little shape like that. And then we'll draw her other side of her leg. Okay, and then you can complete the hoof here like that. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the front of her hoof. So we'll start up here, and you can kind of come out a little bit, come down about the same level as the other one, and then you'll curve that and connect from her belly down. Yep, and then you could draw the other hoof. Okay, and then now let's draw the rest of her belly here. So this line here is gonna continue over, okay? So you're gonna continue that over. So her belly's here, so you're gonna continue that over right about here. And then you're gonna hook this up a little bit. And then you're gonna create like a C shape. You're gonna come up about here, and you're gonna do like a C shape. Okay, and then from right about here, you're going to leave a little bit of a space, okay? And then we're going to come all the way back to right about here, okay? So you can start from here and curve this way if it's easier for you. So make sure you're underneath the eyeball. Yeah, somewhere about like right here. Okay, so this is going to be her back area. So we're going to curve this like that and touch right there. That's it. Now she's gonna have like a bend in her hind leg. So this one here is gonna curve like this, and then this one's gonna come down, and then we're gonna curve the bottom of her hoof, and then double up. Okay, and then she's gonna have the other side of her hoof hidden over here. So we'll do a little shape like this, and then we'll connect like that, and then we'll draw the other hoof right there. Okay, now let's get her belly. She's gonna have like a little strip on her belly that's gonna be a different color. So we're gonna come down like that. So start, yeah, on the other side of her mouth, yep. Come down and connect to the leg, yep. And then right here, we'll connect like that. That's it. And then we'll do the tail. So around, right about here, she's gonna have a tail. So we'll do this, and then we'll go the opposite way. Coming up like that, and then we'll come down, and then like that, and then connect together. There we go. We just drew a reindeer for Christmas time. What do you think? You like it? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay, hope everybody's looked and turned out just the same as ours did. And you want to color this up?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
finished. I think they look absolutely great.
Amazing. And I hope everybody's at home looks just as cool as ours and turned out really good. Don't forget, if you want to post your pics on our Facebook page, just check out the description below and get the link to our Facebook page and post your stuff so that everybody else can see how cool yours looks too. All right?
And don't forget to like this video if you like our drawings.
Yeah, like it and subscribe to our channel. All right, guys, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.